Hey investors, before we dive in, don't forget to click on the link in the description below to get your special discount. Now let's talk about how to use Coinbase Pro, your ultimate guide to crypto trading. Alright, so you've signed up for Coinbase Pro. Great choice. First things first, log in and you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center. You'll see charts, order books, and your portfolio all in one place. It's like Christmas morning for traders. Now, let's make our first trade. On the left-hand side, you'll see the market selector. Click on that and choose the trading pair you're interested in. Say you want to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum. Click on BTC ETH. Next up, the order form. This is where the magic happens. You've got three options: market, limit, and stop orders. For market orders, you're buying or selling at the current market price. Easy peasy. For limit orders, you set the price and quantity, and the trade executes when the market hits your price. You can think of it as fishing. And lastly, stop orders, which are like a safety net. You set a trigger price, and when the market hits it, your order is placed. Let's place a limit order for Bitcoin. Enter the amount of ETH you want to spend, set your limit price, and hit buy. Voila, your order is now in the order book. Now, managing your portfolio. Click on the Portfolios tab. Here you can see your balances, recent transactions, and even withdraw your funds. It's like having a bird's eye view of your crypto kingdom. Before wrapping up, remember to utilize the advanced charting tools. They help spot trends and make informed decisions. And don't forget those security features. Enable two-factor authentication to keep your assets safe. That's it, folks. Using Coinbase Pro is as simple as that. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer and start trading like a pro today. Happy trading! See you next time.